Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing an 8-hour foundation wear test. So if you want to see if this foundation does hold up on mature dry skin, keep watching. Okay, so I recently got this Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. I've been hearing really good things about it. My skin is super dry, especially now in the winter, and I have eczema, and I'm 47. Got pores and hyperpigmentation. So I just wanted to give you a background of what we're working with. So this foundation retails for $39 and it says that it has key ingredients to maintain that hydration for up to 24 hours. The foundation includes ginseng, stimulates collagen production, Camellia japonica, I hope I'm saying that right, helps restore skin's natural glow. Mondo grass helps strengthen the skin's protective barrier. It's light to medium coverage, satin finish, ideal for normal to dry skin. That would be me. Brightens, smooths, and firms the appearance of skin. Reduces the appearance of wrinkles by 23%.
Wow.
And increases hydration by 26%. So that's pretty amazing. Those are pretty big claims. So let's see if it holds up to it. So what I'm going to do is this side I have primer and this side I only have moisturizer. So you can see how it works because I know not everybody wears primer. So I'm going to start with this side and I'm actually going to use a sponge. A sponge on this side. Hopefully I have the right color. Ooh, it smells really nice. Okay, so this is half with a beauty sponge and it got some nice coverage. It's definitely not full coverage, but it does make my skin look really nice. It is perfumey, so if you don't like scent in your products, then this might not work for you because it does have a scent to it. It smells really nice, but still. And now on the other side, I'm going to use my trusty foundation brush. All right, so that is, I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see up close how my skin looks. I think it looks really nice. All right, so now I've zoomed you in a little bit closer. I think I like the brush side better. Let me turn down the light. As you can see, this side, I think I like the side of the brush better. This one I didn't get as much coverage. So if you get this, if you use your foundation brush, just kind of do your stippling motions and you should have a nice even coverage. If you see any brush strokes, you can always go in with your brush, your beauty blender, but I'm not going to touch it because we're doing a wear test. So I'm going to go and put on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. All right, so I went and did a quick look, ready to go. I didn't do anything fancy because basically I'm not going anywhere. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like under bronzer, blush, concealer, etc. So you guys can see how it looks. So far it looks really nice. My skin looks really nice. So I'm going to check in within 4 hours, which is the halfway point, and then again at night when it's time to take it off so you guys can see how it held up. So I'll see you guys later. Hi guys. So I'm back with my 4-hour check-in. It's actually 4:49. It's a little bit after the 4:26 mark. So as you can see, I've been wearing this foundation for over 4 hours, a little bit over 4 hours. I think it still looks really, really fabulous. It looks really nice. I mean, I look a little bit shiny, but it's because I did not put any powder because my face is so dry that it's nice to see the dewiness. I don't see any more oiliness than normal. It just looks dewy, and I really like the way it makes my skin look soft. I do have a little wrinkle here, but it hasn't gathered really, you know, there's some that really crack here in my smile lines, but not this one. Like I said, this is just a wrinkle that I have, but other than that, I think it looks great. It's really holding up well. I'm also going to take a picture with flash so you guys can see if it has any flashback, and I'll post that next, and then I will see you guys at the 8:26 mark and I'll see what it looks like then. So I will be seeing you soon. I am back with our final check-in, and it is 9:17 as you can see, and we're doing the final check-in of the day. I've been wearing this foundation for over 8 hours. I can honestly say I love it. It's very comfortable to wear. I think my skin still looks, after all this time, still looks really good. My nose, let me zoom in. The foundation on my nose is gone. Yeah, that's pretty much gone. But that's because I have allergies and I touch my nose a lot. And I've said this in other wear tests. And I wear glasses to read. So I think if I were to wear this like to go out at night or something, I would just have to touch up my nose. But other than that, it didn't settle in any lines. Not even around my nose. And, oh yeah, I lost a little bit here. But then again, I also didn't set this with powder. So, or apply any setting spray to my face. So this was just bare, just a foundation. It does do what it says it does on the box. It evens out my skin tone. It makes my face look hydrated. It's super comfortable to wear. It's almost like I'm not wearing anything. I'm very impressed, actually. Very, very impressed. So this concludes our 8-hour wear test of the Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. 100% recommended. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you reached it until now, thank you so much for spending your time with me. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with anybody else that you think might be interested in learning more about this foundation. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.